In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Pipedrive. We'll start right inside Pipedrive's sales inbox. Look to the left sidebar and click the mail icon. That opens your inbox and the email composer tools you'll be using. Next, create a fresh message by clicking the plus new email button. A new compose window appears. Go ahead and write the email you want to reuse. Add a clear subject line and type the body of your message. If you plan to personalize it later, leave space for names, dates, or deal details. Many teams like to use simple placeholders such as a first name to remind themselves what to customize before sending. When your draft looks the way you want, move to the top of the composer and click Choose Template. Even though you're working on a draft, this is the same menu you'll use to save it for future use. From that menu, select plus Save Draft as a template. This tells Pipedrive to take your current subject and message and turn them into a reusable template. A small window will prompt you for the template details. Give your template a short, descriptive name so you and your teammates can find it quickly later. Then choose its visibility. Pick Private if you want to be the only person who can use this template. Choose Shared if you want your team to access it as well. Shared templates are great for standard replies, prospecting intros, or common follow-ups, while Private is perfect for your personal voice or niche workflows. Once you've named it and set the visibility, click the green Save button. Your template is now stored and ready to use. To pull it into any email, open a Compose window, click Choose Template at the top, and select the template you just saved. Pipedrive will automatically fill in the subject and message. Before you hit Send, scan for any placeholders and add the correct names or details, and attach any files you mentioned in the body. This simple check keeps your outreach accurate and personal, and that's the full process. You opened the sales inbox, created a new email, wrote your message, saved it as a template with the right visibility, and used it when sending. With templates set up, you'll reply faster, stay consistent, and keep your pipeline moving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.